Hi everyone, I am Chunlan. Today I am glad to be here to deliver a presentation on how to use the quantitative research to explore the relations between the factors such as study satisfaction and self-efficacy and academic performance. Let us have a look at the overview of my presentation. Aim and hypothesis, method, results, discussion. Now let's have a look at the research aim and hypothesis first. The aim of the research is to identify the factors that predict and drive academic performance, such as academic satisfaction and self-efficacy. The hypotheses of the research included 1. Study satisfaction is correlated with students' academic performance. 2. Self-efficacy is correlated with students' academic performance. 3. Factors like study satisfaction and self-efficacy can predict students' academic performance. The method used in the research is a 9-item questionnaire. The participants or the 100 undergraduate students. Total 9 items were covered in the questionnaire, with 3 items measure academic self-efficacy, 3 items measure academic satisfaction, and 3 items measure academic performance. Participants responded to all the items using a Likert scale. 1 stands for not at all, 2 stands for a little, 3 stands for quite a bit, 4 stands for a lot, and 5 stands for very much. Next, I will show you the results of the research. The first one, the descriptive statistic, showed that the sample size is 100 aged between 19 years old and 24 years old. The second table, the t-test group statistics, showed that the average Likert scale of male students 11.5455 is smaller than that of female students 11.6119 in terms of self-efficacy. Similar results achieved for satisfaction and performance. The average Likert scale of male student 11.1212 is smaller than that of female students 11.8507 in terms of satisfaction. The average Likert scale of male student 10.7879 is smaller than that of female students 10.8060 in terms of performance. The independent sample test showed that p-value for Likert scale of self-efficacy is 0.896. P-value for Likert scale of satisfaction is 0.181. P-value for Likert scale of performance is 0.974. Since the above p-values are all greater than 0.05, for example, 0.896 is greater than 0.05. 0.181 is greater than 0.05. 0.974 is greater than 0.05. We can know that the mean Likert scale of self-efficacy is not significantly different from male students and female students. The mean Likert scale of satisfaction is not significantly different from male students and female students. The mean Likert scale of performance is not significantly different from male students and female students. The correlations test showed that there are 100 participants in the study. It also shows that there is a statistically significant relationship between Likert scale of satisfaction and self-efficacy. P-value is smaller than 0.05. The correlation coefficient suggests a weak to moderate positive correlation in Likert scale between satisfaction and self-efficacy. R is equal to 0.395. There is a statistically significant relationship between Likert scale of performance and self-efficacy. P-value is less than 0.05. The correlation coefficient suggests a moderate positive correlation in Likert scale between performance and self-efficacy. R is equal to 0.574. There is a statistically significant relationship between Likert scale of performance and satisfaction. P-value is less than 0.05. The correlation coefficient suggests a weak to moderate positive correlation in Likert scale between the performance and satisfaction. R is equal to 0.388. The p-value shown in the analysis of variance table is smaller than 0.05, which means the overall regression model is significant. Namely, there is a relationship between the independent variables and the dependent variable. The regression test shows that 36.2% of variance in the dependent variable performance explained by the independent variables age, self-efficacy, and satisfaction. The coefficients table indicates that the p-value of self-efficacy is 0, which is smaller than 0.05, meaning self-efficacy is a significant predictor of performance. The p-value of satisfaction is 0.033, which is smaller than 0.05, meaning satisfaction is a significant predictor of performance. The p-value of age is 0.565, which is greater than 0.05, meaning age is not a significant predictor of performance. For every 1 unit increase in the self-efficacy, there is 0.495 unit increase in performance. For every 1 unit increase in the satisfaction, there is 0.192 unit increase in performance. So, what we have found so far from the research and tests conducted, male students generally have higher average Likert scale than female students in terms of self-efficacy, satisfaction, and performance. There is a statistically significant relationship between satisfaction and self-efficacy, between performance and self-efficacy, and between performance and satisfaction. There is weak to moderate positive correlation between satisfaction and efficacy, and between performance and satisfaction, while there is moderate positive correlation between performance and self-efficacy. Study satisfaction and self-efficacy can predict students' academic performance. The limitation of the research is its limited sample, and it is recommended more students coming from different universities can be invited to participate in the research, though that the results obtained will be more reliable. Thank you.